Cupcake toy videos. I am so excited for Cheryl to come today. She said she had a big surprise for us. I know, it is so exciting. I wonder what it's gonna be. Maybe she'll bring us some cupcakes. Cupcakes? I love cupcakes. If I had to guess, I would say it's more Shopkins. More Shopkins would be awesome. That means more friends. The doorbell. Cheryl must be here. Hi, Cheryl. Come on in. Everybody's inside waiting for us. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you all. Guess what? I have a big surprise. I love surprises. We all tried to guess what you were bringing. We guessed cupcakes or Shopkins. Well, you guys guessed it right. Drum roll, please. It's Shopkins! Hi, all my little cupcake fans. So today we have the Shopkins Series 3 Squish Delish. You can collect them all, and it's a slow rise squishy. We also have a Shopkins Wild Style from Season 9. There's 2 Shopkins inside and a new pet pad. Let's go ahead and open our squishy and see which one we got. Woohoo! Look, we have Kooky Cookie. Let's see what Shopkins we got in our Wild Style. This is such a cute case to carry all your Shopkins around in. Let's pop the top off and see what Shopkins we have inside. Our first one is a really cute heart-shaped Shopkin named Lovely. And our second Shopkin is Celeste, and she's a really cute rainbow dress. Oh, Blueberry, I love our new Shopkin friends. Me too. I love making new friends. You all thought that surprise was awesome. Wait till you see this. Oh, really? Another surprise? And the best surprise is slime! And all we have to do is add water. So let's get to it. Woohoo! Slime bath! Come on in, guys. Be careful. It's slimy. Woohoo! This is the coolest slime party ever! Okay, all my little cupcake fans, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with more videos. Bye-bye.